Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday, September 19th, and what a wild day we had on Wall Street today. I'm going to show you a chart today as the chart of the day that actually ended down on the day, but had such a spectacular drop and then rise again that I wanted to point it out to you. It ended up being my favorite trading vehicle of the day. But check out State Street Bank and Trust, one of the old, reliable, stable, stodgy old banking, financial services type firms in the world. Started out today up in the high 60s, had a steady decline in the morning, accelerated lower, and then it eventually spiked down and got all the way down in waves and waves of selling, reaching the 29 level before it reversed sharply. At this point, we started trading it. We actually traded it a couple times on these bounces in here, but this stock then had a spectacular rise that took it from 29 to 58, doubling in about 35 minutes. That's one of the best moves I've ever seen. And we certainly had some wild swings on it for sure. Then we had a nice orderly pullback, got very, very quiet around 2:30, and then rolled over one more time to test this level of support right in here, around the 40 area. And from there, it rocketed again, actually taking out slightly the highs up around 59, or about a 19-point move inside of another half an hour. Amazing, huh? Backed and filled in a quail pattern and spiked up into the close with some very, very heavy volume coming in right at the last minute of the day, where it traded over 1 million shares in the last minute. So a very spectacular rise took place in a stock that got oversold intraday, perhaps for no reason at all other than some fear in Wall Street. On the daily chart, you'll see that the stock had been pretty steady and moved sideways for about the last 2 months before collapsing today and then rallying back sharp. It's going to be very interesting to see what some of these stocks do. Another example of Wall Street firm that had a very similar action was Morgan Stanley, which dropped from 22.5 down to 11.70 and closed at 22.5. That kind of action. So wild days in Wall Street, and today was a significant rally. We'll see if we get some follow through. And I'll be checking out State Street tomorrow to see how volatile it is and whether it's a possibility for some day trades.